Hi all. So here about how to find the inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform, we write it like this, Laplace inverse. So the function, it will be capital F of S. Okay, like for example is equal to 1 over S plus 3, okay, S minus 2. So if you want to find the Laplace inverse of F capital of S, we have first step to write SYMS space S because the variable is S. Then we define it by F capital is equal to, here we have the numerator 1 divided by the denominator. So in the denominator we have a bracket S plus 3, then multiply by S minus 2. Then enter. After that we will write I Laplace. So we use the I Laplace of F capital, so be careful about the F capital. So we use the Laplace if we want to find Laplace, but if you want to find Laplace inverse, we will write I Laplace of F. After that, enter. So let me use the Matlab to find the answer. So we have to define the variable. We have to write SYMS space S because the variable is S. Then F capital is equal to 1 over, and the denominator should be in a bracket. Also the numerator should be in a bracket, but for this one it is no need because we have only 1. Okay, then we have S plus 3 bracket S plus 3 close the bracket multiply by S minus 2 close the bracket. Okay, enter. Then enter. Then we find the I Laplace okay of capital F. Be careful about of I Laplace. Here we write F capital, so we have to define it by F capital. Enter. So the function what we get it the function of t. So here the answer it will be function of t. Okay, so first step we have to define the variable. The second step we have to write the function, and the last step we have to write the command of I Laplace. Okay, now let me solve any question. Like for example, let me solve question B. You have S plus 5, S minus S plus 3. So first we have to define the variable. The variable is SYMS space S. Then F capital is equal to, here we have the numerator S plus 5. So for this one we need to write it in a bracket. And the denominator, it will be S plus 1 in a bracket S minus 3 in the second bracket, and between them is multiplication. Then I Laplace. I Laplace. So it will be I Laplace of capital F. So we will write it now. Okay, so SYMS space S, enter. Then F capital is equal to, we have something in a numerator and the other one in the denominator. So we have expression in numerator and the expression of the denominator. In numerator we have S plus 5. So in numerator we have S plus 5, and in the numerator we have S plus 1 and S minus 3. So S plus 1 multiply by S minus 3. Okay, then enter. I Laplace. I Laplace of F capital. Enter. So we get the answer. Okay, for example, if you want to solve another question, like for example here we have 1 over S square plus 16. So let me solve this one. Okay, we have S Y M S space S, then F capital is equal to 1 over bracket S to the power 2, okay, multiply by S to the power 2 plus 16, then I Laplace. Okay, so we will write it. Y. Okay, so SYMS space S, enter, then F is equal to 1 over S, so it will be S to the power 2 multiply by the denominator. Here we have S to the power 2 plus 16, then close the bracket, enter. Then we have I Laplace of F capital, enter. So we get the answer. Okay, if you want, for example, to solve another problem like H, okay, so in H we have SYMS space S, enter. F is equal to, in the numerator divided the denominator, so in numerator we have 4 multiplied by S, and for the denominator we have first bracket, it is S minus 1 multiplied by the second bracket, and this second bracket is to the power 2, so it will be S plus 1, okay, enter. So I Laplace of capital F, enter. Okay, so for example, here I made a mistake. So the mistake is I Laplace. I write it wrong. So he is corrected me. Do I mean by I Laplace like this, the spelling? Yes, enter. Okay, so will be the answer. Okay, so this is the way of finding the Laplace. This is the way of finding I Laplace. This is the way of how to find the I Laplace.